another unboxing video, and today it is the Yotto microphone accessory set that I'm going to open. So let's get on to the unboxing. Alright, so here's a box of the Yotto. I got this for like $30 around with a discount, so pretty good price to start. This package actually includes many things. It has a microphone stand. So here's the microphone stand. This one is the microphone clip. I think this is a table clamp, and these are the 3 cable tie here. And then this is the windscreen and the pop filter. So let's see how it is. So I'm happy to have finally gotten this so that it will work well with my microphone. I will have no more problem. Okay, so right away, oh shoot, here is the pop filter. Okay, woo. So this is a stand. Oh, sorry, I should show it. So this is a stand. It's here. And something came off as well when I took this out. I don't know if this is useful. Is this a? Yeah, it's probably useful. Yeah. Yeah, this is the microphone clip. You see this one, and this is table clamp. And lastly, we got the wind screen. Okay. Inside the box, there's nothing else. So it doesn't even have a manual or something. Yeah, they didn't actually give me any manuals. So I don't even know how I'm supposed to like. Okay. So we have to figure out ourselves how to put this on and make it work on the microphone. Alright, so this is the boom arm with the pop filter that I put it on. I didn't use these 2 things yet, and neither did this thing. I don't know what it's used for. I have to search that. I have to be careful that I don't make any mistake. But yeah, so this is the boom arm. It feels really sturdy. I don't want to move it too much because it's a budget option. So yeah, if I move it a lot, it probably will deteriorate the quality. So I'll try not to move it as much as I can. But I will probably not leave this, you know, hanging around all night, because I don't trust it enough that it will hold my microphone safely for like 24 hours. So yeah, I'll put it down when I'm not using it anymore. And if you guys, but yeah, I am overall happy with this purchase because I don't want to spend too much on a boom arm yet, as I just started. But yeah, let me know what you guys think in the comments, and please hit a like and subscribe if you enjoy my content. I also will be having Ghost of Tsushima next month to stream, not next month, sorry, next week to stream. So stay tuned for that. Alright, see ya.